Perfect.
Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So y'all, I did a trifling thing. I fell asleep with my makeup on. I know I be on y'all back like, do not sleep with your makeup on. But just know, girl, just know it was a good night, okay? It was a good night. It's actually early in the morning, but I'm going to be doing a night routine because I ain't going nowhere today. And I need to really cleanse my face and get this makeup off. So let's hop to it. First thing I need to do is get the rest of this makeup off my face. So I'm going to use this towelette from Clean Skin. And I'm just going to use my good old Garnier makeup remover. I do not pull my lashes off. I recommend that you do not pull your lashes off. I just sit this like on my eyes and underneath my eyes to melt the mascara. And once you melt the mascara, your lashes are going to slide right off. So that's the reason why you should be wearing mascara under your false lashes and not just using false lashes without the mascara, because the makeup remover is going to melt the mascara and make them come off a lot easier. You don't have to do a lot of rubbing. You don't have to do a lot of tugging. You don't have to do any of that. Like, it literally will just slide off after you just let the mascara melt from the makeup remover. And you're like, don't rush it. Don't rush it. See, that one just fell off. And you still have all your lashes. That's the whole point. So I'm just sitting it on there. I don't want to rub my eyes and tug on my eyes at all. They already look old enough. So I don't need them kind of problems, okay? And it just slides right off. Like, you see what I'm saying? Definitely take that extra step to just get those lashes off, because you need your lashes. You don't want to be having no edges and no lashes. I just can't do that. So now that I got that off, I'm going to go take a shower and come back and finish my skincare. Okay. So first I'm going to start off with a oil cleanser. I always use an oil cleanser at night first to break down makeup or sunscreen, no matter what. Today I'm going to use this one by Then I Met You. I really like this one. I have been tearing it up. As you can see, it's just a balm formulation. I love cleansing balms more than I like cleansing oils, but I do like both. And this one has that sea buckthorn oil in it, which makes it that yellowish color, but it really, really, really is good with breaking down your makeup, your sunscreen. Like, I love this stuff. So you guys should definitely check it out. If you're not using an oil cleanser at night before you go in with your cleanser, change that, okay? Also, y'all, I have really been going through like some acne issues. Like, I know y'all be thinking my skin be doing great, but honey, I be going through it too, I swear. So first of all, look at this acne right here. Because of sunglasses and my regular, seeing glasses, I have just really been getting acne right there. I clean my glasses, but they just, I don't know what it is. I think it's because it's hot outside and, the sweat and all of that. And then Aunt Flo just left town and she dropped them off and left that there. So she's a trifling. I ain't even going to say what she is. So I told y'all, do not use an oil-based cleanser that does not turn into a milky cleanser when water hits it. Like, we're not using regular oils as a first cleanser. We're just not doing it. You want to get a real cleanser that's going to turn into a milky cleanser once water is applied to it. So since I've been having my little acne problems, I'm going in with this cleanser from the Inky list. I like this. It's affordable and it does what it's supposed to do. I mean, it's a $10 cleanser and it's better than any like other type of drugstore cleansers that I've used. So it has the drugstore price, but it gives me better than drugstore results. You know what I'm saying? It's got that salicylic acid in here. I've actually used that CeraVe one and I like this one better. So I just take a little bit and I'm just gonna rub that together and get it nice and creamy. And it's not super lathery. Lathery, is that a word? I don't know, but it's not super duper lathery, but it's just enough. It's pretty much fragrance free, so if you like fragrance free, and it's good for all skin types. Like if you have acne prone skin, It's good for that. Oily skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, like all of those, this is good for that. Like, I definitely do recommend this. Gets hyped up for a reason. Like, it's so simple, so you're like, what's all the hype, what's all the hype? It's super simple as a cleanser, but it just kind of does what it's supposed to do, and it's affordable. You know what I mean? Like, if you, especially if you're new to skincare and you're just starting off, this is a really good cleanser to start with. So I told you guys I was going in with another cleanser, and I'm going in with this one from Murad. This is their hydration cleanser, but it's a BHA AHA exfoliating cleanser. Today is an exfoliation day for me, so I am going to go in with this. Those acids in there are going to help me with this acne that I'm dealing with. So the AHA is going to help exfoliate the top layer of my skin, and the BHA is going to go deeper into the pores and exfoliate my pores and really get that dirt coming out. This cleanser has really small exfoliating beads in it. Like, they are not harsh at all. You can barely feel them. And the scent is really just clean and soft, but it feels really good. It's definitely not too harsh for the skin. If you have acne prone skin, like, you definitely still want to exfoliate, but you want to use a gentle exfoliator because you don't want to be like scratching all over your acne with like harsh, you know what I mean, exfoliators. So this is a good one. And make sure you take your time with your skincare. Like, really get in there and rub that skincare down in there. Like, don't just throw it on and swoop it around a few times and rinse it off. Like, get it in there and let it do its job. So now I'm going to get into a mask, and you guys have definitely seen this on my channel quite a few times. This is the Detox mask by Timmies. I love this mask. Like, it's just so good. A little goes such a long way, y'all. I can't even count the number of times that I've used this, and I still have so much of this in here. Like, it's just so good. I love the consistency. It's super duper freaking creamy. Like, it's just, ooh, it's just so nice. And I like it because you can really feel this thing working. Like, you feel it tingling and everything. Now, you can get this from Ulta, but I also have a coupon code for y'all to get it cheaper if you go to the Timmies website. So I'll leave all of that stuff below for y'all, of course. So it just all depends on how you want to purchase it. If you want to purchase through Ulta or you want to go directly through Timmies and save a couple coins. But honey, this mask, and I know y'all done seen it everywhere, and y'all seen it everywhere for a long time. Like, people are still using this because it really is good. And this mask is definitely something I reach for when I'm having problems like with breakouts. I definitely use it because it's a detox mask and it detoxes my skin real good. So obsessed with this. Don't want to run out, but girl, I ain't finna run out no time soon. Love this stuff. So I'm gonna leave this on for about 15 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse. Okay, y'all, so the mask is all dry. I wanted y'all to see that I actually be wearing the mask, and you can see like where it went down like in my pores and pulled out all that yucky dirt, nasty. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go rinse this off. I'll be right back. This is why I had to use that mask, because this has to go. I look like Rudolph, like, girl. So let's get into toner, and I'm going to use this one from Biossance. This is their Squalene BHA Pore Minimizing Toner. I have been killing this. Love it. I definitely had this in a couple other videos. It's just so good, and that BHA gets down there in your skin, honey. I'm telling y'all, after this video, in a couple days, like, all of this stuff is going to be gone. It might even be gone tomorrow, because this whole routine is fire. And not even just for acne prone skin, because I'm going through my acne issue, but also for dark marks and hyperpigmentation. Like, these are good products for that too. If you have sensitive skin, oily skin, acne prone skin, like, all skin types can use this, but it has that BHA in there, and y'all really do need to make sure y'all using y'all BHAs at night to get that, you know, stuff that's deep down in there that, you know, just regular products are not getting to. Like, you need acids in your life, honey. So this is a good one. I have been loving this. So I'm going to go in with this Fenty Fat Water to start putting moisture back into my skin. This is kind of like thick, so I just pour it into my hand like that, and then I just rub it together and just press it into my skin. Someone noticed in another one of my videos that I used more than one toner, and they didn't know that you can layer toners. You can absolutely layer toners. You can choose the toners that you need for your skin type, for what your skin needs at the moment. If you're using a toner that has acids in it and you want to go in with a hydrating one as well, you can definitely do that. This is by no means like drying, but with it having that acid and exfoliation, sometimes I will go in with something a little more moisturizing after. So when the cells start to turn over and produce the new skin, it'll be moisturized. Okay. So since I am in here tripping about my acne going crazy, y'all know I'm pulling out Holy Grail. You know my CosRx Snail Mucin is definitely in the game, and I'm getting low. I am getting low. So that's giving me anxiety. No, it's not really. I just go buy more. But this is definitely a Holy Grail product. Like, when my skin is acting a fool, like not even when my skin is just acting a fool, but especially when my skin is acting a fool, I'm reaching for this because it's going to get my skin back in order, heal it up, get rid of any dark marks, because that's definitely going to be a mark, and it's going to heal all of that faster, and it's so freaking moisturizing. Like, it's so good. So no matter what skin type you have, if you have oily skin, honey, you can put this on as your moisturizer. It's that moisturizing. Like, it's so good. It's so good. Girl, Snail is a game changer. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. I used to have the moisturizer that goes to this. I definitely need to get it back. It's so good. So the next serum I'm going in is by Sunday Riley. This is their all-in-one lactic acid treatment, and I'm going in with this because I'm having acne issues. So this lactic acid is going to scuff all of that acne off, like clean it out, lift it up, get it out of here. So I'm definitely going in with this. Now, with this being a lactic acid treatment, this is something that you will use just twice a week, not every night. And I'm just going to pat that right into my skin. It has like a lemony smell. Don't use it under your eyes, because it is going to exfoliate the top layer of your skin. So don't use it under your eyes. You know, your eyes have like the thinnest skin, so you don't want to put it there. Make sure you get around the mouth to get like those dark areas lightened up. Any skin type can use this. If you have sensitive skin, just be careful because it is an intense type of treatment. And for my last serum, I'm going in with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I'm going in with this because this is very moisturizing, and also because the niacinamide is going to help get a jump start on clearing up any dark marks or hyperpigmentation that I have from this acne going on. Okay, so love this stuff. It's so good, so moisturizing, perfect for all skin types. Any skin type can use this. If you have oily skin, honey, you can use this as a moisturizer. Like, these serums are coming through with the moisture. So I want to make sure my skin is moisturized. Even though I'm going through like an acne bout, I don't want my skin to be dry. I want it to be moisturized so it can really start healing itself. So those are all the serums I'm going to use. Skin is plumped, juicy, tripping right here, but we gonna get that together, girl. Don't even worry about it. So next, I'm going in with my moisturizer. This is by Murad. This is their City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. And honey, I'm using this because it's a night moisturizer and because it's detoxing. And right now, we need detox. So I'm just going to do 2 little pumps of that and put that on my skin. Boop, 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 boop. And I need it on my neck. This is a nice moisturizer. Like, it's not too thick and not too thin. Like, it's just really good. And I think all skin types can use this as well, because it's not too heavy. And most night creams are like super heavy, but this one is not. And that's okay for me, because with me dealing with my breakouts right now, I don't want anything too heavy on. You know, I do want my acne to breathe so it can go away. You know what I'm saying? I don't want nothing too heavy, and it's hot outside. Even though I'm not going outside, it's just hot. And I just don't want anything too heavy on right now. So that is a really good moisturizer. So I'm going to go in with eye cream. I'm going to use this one by Murad. This is in the hydration line, just like the exfoliating cleanser that I use. And this is their Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. So I'm going to go in with this and just put this eye cream under my eyes. You don't need a lot, but you definitely want to use some eye cream, especially when you're an old hag like me. Okay, gotta keep them eyes moisturized. And when you keep your eyes moisturized, like that helps when you're wearing like concealer and makeup and stuff. Keep it from looking so creasy and dry, because you keep your under eyes moisturized, all around your eyes moisturized. Okay, y'all, I have been obsessed with this oil. This is the Pharmacy Honey Grail oil, and I know y'all seen this in another video before because I've just been obsessed with it. I freaking love this stuff. It's so good. It has that honey and oil texture mixed together, and y'all, I have been obsessed. And I have literally like 20 other oils over there, but I mean, I swear I've been reaching for this. And I'm just tapping that in just to lock in that moisture. Okay, y'all, and to wrap up this video and routine, I'm going in with this Bali Balm. This is their sweet orange and coconut lip balm, and I have really been liking this. So easy to apply, and it smells like it's got like some kind of peppermint oil in it too, which I love. Makes my lips get a little tingle, and it's just really refreshing with that sweet orange, coconut, and the peppermint together. So really nice, and you don't need a lot. So you guys, that is my nighttime skincare routine that I use today to help me fight off this acne. So I'll see you guys in the next skincare Sundays, and this stuff should be gone. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. All links will be down in the description box, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.